Everybody's talking about AR right now, yet not that many people have even tried an AR headset. Part of the issue is that they're either too expensive or they don't offer all the features that some developers might want. That's why we created the Dream Glass. It's a lightweight, fully featured AR headset.
The engineering team took great effort to iterate the design of the Dream Glass and achieved 90 degrees of field of view, excellent image quality at only 240 grams.
With a price tag of only $399, we hope that our developers will be able to immerse more in the AR world and feel less on their head and feel less on their wallet.
There's never been a better time to create content for AR. Even if you don't come from engineering or computer graphics background, with the Dreamworld SDK, it's easy to jump in and start creating. Having AR that can be powered by your phone not only allows developers to make their apps portable, but also enables new possibilities for user interaction.
But what I liked about the Unity SDK was it was really easy to use and get started. I got it running in about 6 to 7 minutes. As far as the hand recognition and the head tracking, it was really easy to just kind of check a box and get it going. It's just been a lot easier to develop software for Dreamworld than anything else.
What I really like about Dream Glass is the interaction with the Android phone. Not only that I can use my phone as an input device, also I can use my phone to plug in and it can power the headset itself.
Besides using the phone, we also provide developers the option to use hand gestures for interaction. These gestures are simply like clicking or holding. By using our SDK, it will be extremely easy for you to implement hand gesture in any of your apps.
AR revolution is coming. Dreamworld is delivering to you an AR glass that is affordable, lightweighted, and with a super wide field of view. But this is just the beginning. You, the developers, are the ones who are going to change how people work, communicate, shop, and entertain themselves.
We hope that the Dream Glass will enable developers to bring their dreams to reality.
Very excited about wearing my Everysight Raptor smart glasses. I'll be able to capture all the moments on the road, see my data without losing my line of sight. So they were comfortable, they were very informative, super high quality, very stable. Hey!
And how about the technology? To give fans a better perspective of what the riders go through, I rode several stages with these Raptor sunglasses that displays all of my biometric data.
As a coach, one of the functionalities of the camera, giving that to an athlete and taking it out into a group ride or a race, having them then be able to look at the data with the athlete and give him feedback on his positioning.
Take video and picture very, very simply. Wherever I turn my head, that's what you see, which allows me to create a complete immersion experience that I can share with my fans and my family.
I uploaded a map actually, so I was able to take this little snap and look at the screen and see what's upcoming, so that was really great experience.
I'm not computer literate, and it was super easy to put my workout on there. It has an arc, I can program in my wattage, and I know exactly what my goal is. And
be able to write in a group, see exactly where I'm going, have all of my data without having to look down at my computer. It makes it incredibly safe.
Absolutely game-changing technology. To have all the data in front of your eyes, non-obtrusively in front of your eyes in real time, to see my speed, to see where I'm going, it's just amazing.
It's all about the connection.
Between you and the road.
You and the data, you and your team, your coach, you and your breathing, you and your body.
Solos untethers you from the ground.
It lets you personalize the data you see and hear.
326 watts.
Keeping your eyes on the road, yourself in the moment.
Turn left.
Merging your metrics and surroundings. Human and machine.
Bringing together all the moving parts.
It's the bonding agent of all your data points. From your glasses, to your apps, to your coach.
You can finally stay fully present.
No looking down.
No breaking stride.
No unsafe distractions. You feel at one with the thing you love to do. Connected.
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 Glasses have always helped us master light. They bend it, focus it, shield us from it. But these are not your standard glasses. They have a light of their own. A light that connects you to the people you care about, gets you where you need to go, and helps you prioritize the things that matter. Technology that's there when you need it, gone when you don't, hidden by design. Introducing Focals by North, your smartest pair of glasses.
Introducing the Vuzix waveguide smart glasses. Change the way you communicate with a faster, easier, hands-free extension of your smartphone. Two-way audio and video in a clear, sharp, see-through interactive display that puts your entire digital world right in front of your eyes. The Vuzix waveguide smart glasses put a virtual heads-up image right in front of your eyes. Unlike a smartphone or smartwatch, the virtual image is always in your line of sight and completely hands-free. Your connected world overlays your real world with no obstructions. In addition, the Vuzix waveguide smart glasses pack much of the imaging power of a wearable sports cam within an interactive two-way communication system. Connect it to your smartphone, tablet, or laptop for a hands-free interactive mobile communication system. View the future with the Vuzix waveguide smart glasses.
Are you getting this, Bree? What a day.
I wish I was there. I'm stuck here at the conference. Aren't you supposed to be at work by now?
I am working. Checking my messages, prepping for a meeting. And I'm seeing a new client in an hour. I'll talk to you later. Tell you how it goes.
Good luck.
Use the Vuzix waveguide smart glasses as an extension of your iOS or Android smartphone. Watch YouTube videos. Receive phone alerts and real-time heads-up directions. Control what you see and do using voice commands with the temple-mounted trackpad or simply by moving your head.
Show calories burned. From what I know about you, JP, this is the neighborhood where you want to be. Now, you like to cycle, to kayak, to run. Your wife too, but she also wants to live in the city. And then there's your kids. Wait till you see the right facilities around here. Hey, let me take you for a walk, show you a couple products. Open map guide. Directions from here to Arbutus Towers.
The Vuzix waveguide smart glasses connect by Bluetooth to your smartphone's GPS, so it always knows where you are.
You made the right choice, JP. I mean, look at all this. In only a few minutes from your new home. You see that lighthouse over there? I'll race you. Video call to Bree.
You made the sale?
You bet I made the sale. To celebrate, we're racing the seawall. I just posted a video. Check it out.
The Vuzix waveguide smart glasses. a faster, easier, hands-free extension of your smartphone, changing the way you communicate, at work and at play. From Vuzix, the leader in smart glasses technology. View the future with Vuzix.